since 1999.
I met Naveen about 9 or 10 years back, maybe in 2003 or 4.
Must have been in some godforsaken bar in Oman, Muscat.
So I met Naveen in Jan 2010 and I had joined as a recruiter.
I met him 2 years back just before I joined this company, in the process of joining this company.
When I met Naveen, he was part of an interview panel. We had Tappi sir, Naveen, Rajesh.
Definitely a bar because I don't go to other places where Naveen usually goes to other than bars.
With my interaction, I came to know he's an intelligent guy, and our requirements, while discussion about the software, requirements are not very easily catch, and he tried to implement. And I found he's technically also a sound person. Hence, we have decided to absorb him into our new company.
He had a very thin beard, like this, a very thin beard with a thin mustache, like a French but a very thin beard. I don't know what that is called. So I actually thought he's an Arabic. He's from UAE and he's just visiting our Bangalore office.
First meeting itself, he came across to me as a very young man, very enthusiastic, bubbling with energy.
Later I realized he is my boss. So it was pretty uncomfortable. He was looking pretty young.
That time I really felt he's a very bossy, commanding person.
He was very aggressive in his plans.
But when I met him in person, it was not as bad as I thought.
He was able to connect with me pretty easily. And probably that is his plus point always. He can connect with the people very easily.
Whenever I have any doubts, I need some clarification on technical issues about the projects and all, he always used to patiently explain to me in detail, in a layman's language, all the issues.
I came to know more of his insights as a manager, and because basically he was very aggressive and very focused, and he wanted things to be completed.
He's very strict, no fooling around, no joking around.
He knew all the tricks which I knew, and he could teach me some. It was not easy learning from a little pup, but then he had a lot to teach and I had a lot to learn.
One single sentence if I want to say, what is Naveen? Naveen is like a gunshot.
Even the registration of the company was not there when Naveen joined us. Then initially he helped me for all administrative matters, for getting permissions, licenses, for searching office for the organization, and even getting furnitures. Naveen helped me a lot, and because of his support and helpfully, I could get all the things done very easily. Then even he took initiative for recruiting the first batch of technical people.
Supportive and friendly.
A brand in himself.
Discipline
He has a great personality.
and inspiration.
He treats this company as his own company. He treats all the Aravanites as his family. He has a certain belonging to the company, which is great. I have not seen such honesty, such loyalty in anybody whom I have worked before.
One thing I really appreciate in him is his grasping power. Whatever you say, he grasps it very immediately and he will give you correct answers. So which you will get a correct direction when you speak to him for some time.
His caring attitude for caring to his subordinates, especially the team members, which is very good as a manager. And also over the years, since last 2.5 years or maybe 2 years, 6 months, I interacted him with in all the areas of work, maybe proposals, maybe delivery, maybe partying and going along with him for a drive.
No, working with Naveen, it's a pleasure, yeah. I mean, you get to know, I mean, even if you're going to work 14 hours or 15 hours or whatever the number of hours, it doesn't matter. But still, when you talk to Naveen, you get refreshed actually. So this guy is quite energetic and he gives good energy to you, good positive energy.
Yes, I'm still learning from him.
And he used to share his personal things also with me those days, because our office was in Indiranagar, a small house with a small team. So even his personal things like his love affair with Deepa, with then wife and everything, and his family matters, everything he used to share with me, and I used to tell my opinion, and that was our relationship.
As a boss, he takes his job very seriously. He's very strict. If the job is not done, he would not like it. That's like true for all the leaders. But I admire the way he has moved up the corporate ladder.
As a boss, yeah, he knows how to get things done and he's very positive.
As a human being, I never considered Naveen to be a human being. I always thought he looked human, but he's not human,
As a human being, he's little reserved. So
He doesn't show it often, but he's quite emotional. He gets very sentimental whenever anybody talks about his family or his mother.
He's a friendly, lovable character, always willing to lend a helping hand to his teammates.
And he's also attached to all of us. I think most of the alumni don't know this, but he's a very nice human being at heart.
No, I mean, Naveen doesn't have many secrets, to be frank. I mean, he is quite open guy.
I cannot think of anything.
He has stage fear. He gets very nervous when he's standing, but when he sits, he's very confident. He's a perfect sales guy. He can fool you if he wants.
Naveen gives you an impression that he is telling you something. He is not. He is just giving you an impression, that's about it. So if I know something about Naveen which I think is a secret, that's the impression he wants to give you. He is telling you a secret. And the same thing he would have told 4 or 5 people, so it's no longer a secret.
Naveen has always been an inspirational person for us in Aruna.
It's good to be along with him. He used to be supportive.
He was a good leader for our team.
He's one of the best project managers to work with.
We are very proud that we have been working with him.
The qualities that you like in Naveen, yeah, one that is very good, pretty good thing is that he is very positive. His approach is very, very positive things, and he looks into things in a complete manner rather than looking into abstract.
And the quality of Naveen, and as I mentioned earlier, what I found is he was very hardworking person, very hardworking, and he used to take initiative for everything in the sense, as I told, not only for the technical matters, for building up the relationship with outsiders or the company's policy or whatever may be. If I discuss with them the things, he will take initiative and he will see that things are done very smoothly. That was his quality I can find in Naveen.
I'm very proud that what we have today, because we started off with a small office with I think 3-4 people. We used to go and enjoy. Our job was like, when we used to work, right, we had about 10 people. The way we used to work, right, we had a lot of team gathering.
Very committed to the cause, very loyal to the company or loyal to the organization, and very hardworking and highly knowledgeable in his, especially in technical areas.
he's very dedicated towards his work.
And also a well-mannered human being as well.
We usually have his annual party, the New Year party. In the middle of the party, he called and he made sure that the food reaches our security guy. So that was a very good gesture, and I feel he treats everybody the same, be it security, office boys or the Arovanites.
Whenever I see him, he is really hardworking. He's on the phone, he's multitasking, he's typing, he's talking on his BlackBerry, he's doing crowd control, he's attacking problems, he is doing a lot of things at the same time.
The first time when I spoke to you, it was kind of a major change what I found in myself. I would like to thank you for that. And one more thing is, like, cigarette se bit patti that's only because of you, because I think you remember I smoked the last cigarette with you, and I've quit smoking as of now. Thank you very much, and congratulations on completing 10 years in Arovana.
I don't know how 10 years passed, but I had a lot of good friends, good brothers working with each other. Mahesh, Sasu, Thampi sir, I know all of them very close with me.
I was still in school when you started working with Arovana, and that explains as to what long partnership and what long commitment it is that you have given to the company, and that is an inspirational message to all the youngsters who are a part of Arovana family.
Be yourself, Naveen, don't change. Please spend some more time with your family, your wife, your daughter, baby daughter.
Naveen, I know that you're not like every other guy. I would not say there's a midlife crisis in you, but I think you're looking for something deeper. And we all in Arovana wish that you find that wherever you go.
Naveen sir, congratulations on completing 10 years.